My name's Danielle Stratton, and we are ocean ambassadors here cleaning up Fiesta Island, which is a very popular spot in San Diego. Lots of bonfires, lots of parties, lots of trash. I've been doing beach cleanups for about 5 years here with San Diego Whale Watch. And I also, on my free time, I clean up Sunset Cliffs where I live. People come out for 2 hours. We give them supplies. We just ask them to walk around and safely pick up trash that they find. And then the first 50 people that sign up, we reward with a free whale watching pass. So not only are they doing something for the environment, but we're also doing something for them. So Fiesta Island is a good spot. We also go to Mission Beach. We've done some in Ocean Beach, and we make sure to share all of that stuff on Instagram so that people can come out and join the cause.
I'm Ruth. I work for San Diego Whale Watch, and today I'm organizing the beach cleanup. It's an important thing to do to take care of our beaches in the area. We enjoy them on the water and off the water too. A lot of things we find are actually just lids from water bottles. People are usually pretty good at picking up the bottle itself, but the little pieces of plastic often get missed, and that's very easy with the wind to end up in the ocean, which we really would like to avoid.
My name's Melissa. I am a naturalist and a deckhand for San Diego Whale Watch. It's really important to pick up what we can, recycle as much as we can. You know, the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle.
It's important to me because, you know, we leave an impact. When people are careless and negligent and they leave their trash on the beach, they don't realize how quickly it's going to get in the water. You know, some sharks that are found dead and they open them up and they're just full of plastic. It's really sad. So we have to do our part. Seeing whales and dolphins and all of the marine life is so important to me. So when we come out here and clean up, we know that we're protecting them, and that's the #1 goal.
My name's Tom Roebuck. I live close by in Ocean Beach. I came here to help my friends at San Diego Whale Watch come clean up Fiesta Island. It's fun to, go out and get some fresh air and clean up the beach at the same time. A lot of pieces of broken glass, a few cigarette butts, just a lot of miscellaneous plastic. Mysterious thing, I'm not sure what it is. A wig or something like that. Somebody's dinner. Couple, you never know what you find out there.
My nickname is Rue, my Christian name is Valerie, and I clean up the beaches so I can get whale watching tour passes. It's a great cause. Come out and pick up trash. I can't think of a better way to get such a great value.
My name is Marcia. I've grown up in San Diego. I use our beaches. I enjoy them. I go whale watching every chance I get. This is a win-win.
We've had a pretty good turnout today. Lots of trash picked up. We're waiting for a few more people to come back, but we're looking at somewhere close to 150 pounds of trash.
We had a really good handful of people walking up that wanted to participate and hadn't signed up yet, which is nice to have people that just want to come help their community.
We're from Utah.
Yes.
We're all best friends. We've been best friends for years. And I signed us all up because not only do I love whale watching, it's also just a cause that I feel really close to. And I was like, we can all just do it together. It's bonding. We're all putting stuff. And it was fun. We were all like yelling out like plastic, cigarette.
It was good stuff.
We are looking at, and this isn't all of it, but we're looking at somewhere between 400 and 500 pounds today. A lot of our volunteers had to empty their buckets and bags as they were doing the cleanup because it got to be so heavy. So yeah, very good turnout, very good haul, cleaner beach.
Not only just big trash, a lot of comments on so many cigarette butts, which is often something forgotten and socially acceptable littering, and I think it's important that we try and change that.